Hey everyone, it's Samantha, and today I'm going to show you how I remove beads from my clients' hidden bead extensions. So as you can see, I section up the hair and I try to expose one section of wefts at a time. And I find the beads individually. As you can see here, I am using my bead opener. And the way that I normally close my beads, I crimp at an angle across. So when I want to open it, I want to open it the opposite direction that I clamp my beads. And so when you are taking out someone's extensions, you want to be aware of where the bead is crimped and you want to open it the opposite direction to which the bead is closed. So for me, I prefer to open the bead from top to bottom. So the pliers will sandwich in between the bead and go on the top of the bead and at the bottom of the bead. And I make sure the little teeth of the pliers are actually getting inside where the bead is closed. And occasionally I will switch the angle as seen here to squeeze it from the sides as well as the top to help loosen up the bead. So just a tiny, tiny, tiny little squeeze will help open up the bead. And then I usually will shimmy the bead off and it slides off pretty easily. If you ever have a bead that is like crimped or clamped too tightly and you cannot open it, repeat the pattern of opening from the top and bottom and side to side, top and bottom, side to side, and hopefully that will loosen it. But as you can see here, it's just getting the teeth at the very, very top and at the very bottom and a slight pinch, and that will leave a tiny little gap to where the bead can completely open and you can slide it out. As for my bottom row here, I kind of prepped my area with sectioning out the row, and then I found each bead and I sectioned up that section of hair so I could easily find the beads. It makes the process a little bit more smoother and a lot quicker. And now once the beads are removed, I can pull the hair down and remove the row itself. And as you can see here, it just slides right out. And obviously there are many different kinds of beaded methods, so just be aware of what is hidden underneath the wefts. And for me, it was just the hair and beads. So it was an easy slip out and there you go. Ready to boost your profits behind the chair? Visit awealthyhairstylist.com today.